Hi there. Welcome back to another little mini episode of MacGyver's Workshop. And this is a red letter day. We are very happy as we've passed our re-inspection for the state electrical inspector. And let's see. Don't get me wrong, he's a nice guy, but if R. Lee Ermey was an electrical inspector, that'd be this guy. He knows his stuff and he knows his code, and he doesn't let nothing get by, and as it should be. So, but anyway, he is heading out, and of course, me being a homeowner, doing all this do-it-yourself or whatever you want to call me, doing all this ourselves. He was very patient with us, and as far as knowing their understanding that I don't know the code as well as he does and never will. So, but he gave us props for doing our research and all. So I'll show you the the thing that was the most wonderful, hardest thing to get so far, and that's the final. We are good, so I can button all these panels up now, and we are one and done with that. So then we've got, I was in the middle of working on the flooring, and this morning we put our sealer, or started on our sealer. Actually, last night I started the first. It's a three-step process. The first step I did last night, and let it dry overnight and cure, and then today we did the second step, and then we'll have the third step a little later on. So anyway, stay tuned. Okay, so now we've gotten our countertops with the second step of the sealer done. It's kind of an epoxy resin kind of thing that's still drying here, and all that. And the third step we'll do tomorrow. We'll let this stuff, we've been letting it dry all day, and then we'll let it go ahead and dry overnight. But since we passed our electrical inspection with our final, our red letter day for the project, I can take these permits down. Yay! So we are done with that bit for a while. And then we got some more of the flooring done today too. We got out past the island a little bit, and this bit coming across the front here was a little bit of a challenge, because it was just a little skinny piece that we had to cut, and boy, that's hard to get lined up with everything else. But anyway, of course, I still got the painter's paper down everywhere for everything, because we're still going to be doing that third stage of that sealer tomorrow. But anyhow, that's it. We're going to call it a day. So stay tuned, and we'll keep everybody up to date on our progress. Thanks for watching.